Alright guys, our National Treasures break for this Saturday is full. Um, we're going to do the team drawing now. You guys, let me open this and bring it over. You guys are all in this conversation. Everyone that's in here in the National Treasures break one. All of you have spots in it. So this is where we're going to handle most of this at. We're going to start the video now. I'm going to do the timestamps. We're going to do two of them. We're going to do one here in the conversation. We're going to do one here on the wall of the event in Top Shelf Sports. Right there. Okay. So first we'll look at our people. These are all of our buyers. All of you guys are on this list. Okay. You guys can look it over if you want. If you win a contest, you put in random. If you buy outright, you can pick spots. So a lot of people are random, some picked. And those are our people. Okay. Here's our teams list, and this is what we're going to randomize. A to W, Atlanta Hawks to Washington Wizards, all 30 teams in the NBA. Alright, go ahead and copy this. Let's go to random to refresh our dice page. Let's open the list page. Let's go ahead and put that teams list in there. Okay. Let's get a spreadsheet ready. Okay. Pull all the names out and put them in the spreadsheet. One through 30. Okay. Then we're going to go teams over here. Got our teams in. Let's do our dice. No. No 3. 6. So we're going to go 6 times. Got our teams. Atlanta Hawks, Washington Wizards. 6 times. Then we'll assign them to the list. Four. 5. So there's our last one. We got teams. Okay. There's 6. Copy teams. Teams go on the spreadsheet. There we have it, guys. So we'll run them off real quick. NBA cards, got the Thunder, Brian with the Timberwolves, Nathan with the Nuggets, Mike with the Blazers, Nathan with the Warriors, Chris with the Spurs, Nathan with the Jazz, Michael with the Celtics, Matt with the Bobcats, Brian with the Raptors, Nathan with the Cavaliers, Chris and Crystal with the Kings, Nathan with the Bucks, Brandon with the Pistons, Eric with the Bulls, Darren with the Heat, Chris with the Wizards, Nathan with the Pacers, Matt with the Magic, Brian with the Mavericks, Chris and Crystal with the Nets, Ed gets the Rockets. Let's go all the way down. We're at Ed with the Rockets. Nathan's got the Hawks and the Knicks. Paul gets the Hornets. Curtis with the Grizzlies, Brian with the Clippers, Chris and Crystal with the Lakers, Paul with the 76ers, Curtis with the Suns. So that's teams. Do a couple things here, guys. Copy this out. Let's come give it to you in the conversation. Okay. Just gave teams to you guys. It's timestamp done. It's timestamp done. That's it. We got teams. Trade time's open.